Well, hi everyone. Thank you for joining us here at the Digital Pop-Up Shop in Hamilton. It is the middle of the week of the 23rd to the 27th of November, and we're super excited to be able to show you around what we're up to here this week. So come on through. That's Grant Johnson, that's our CEO, and we've got to be a little bit quiet because we've got a whole bunch of seminars going on today. So this is a social media seminar held by our great friend Kendall Holtain at Make Social Click. All right, come with me. This is our good friend Len. This is where you start when you arrive at the Digital Pop-Up Shop. He tells you where you need to go, what classes you're booked in for, and he can get you booked into more classes if you decide that's what you need. So, speaking of more classes, let's check out a workshop.
People who are very passionate about board gaming and creating unique escape rooms for their customers. Awesome.
So cool. If you keep following me, over here we've got some of our great partners. We've got our good friends at Wintec. Hi Wintec. Hi everybody. And then we've got Lego Serious Play. Rob's not here today, but you should have seen him yesterday. He was going off. We've got our good friends from Zero, then Mason Lizzie, and then back to today's schedule.